Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment in the comment box. And if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link where I provided in the description, you can click and join my Telegram channel. So where I'm posting the daily candlesticks patterns and will providing you the alerts by starting scanners that may help you to intraday trades. And based on the candlesticks pattern, that is also we are discussing about yesterday. So many of them are making profit in IRCTC. And this is about I'm going to discuss about a lot of questions and comment those the scanner which is 45 degree is working, right? So based on that, we are going to discuss about the trades today, but I not taken today. But how the stock is worked well today, that we are going to discuss on this video. So these are the top 10 stocks which we are taken for today. This is my yesterday's video. So these are the stocks which we are focusing for yesterday and for today's trade. So let I copy this and first I will take a screenshot from my video. I've taken the screenshot here by the 45 degree stocks, how it performed today. They are asking many questions about this trade, but it was working well. You just do the practice and you just do some workout. Everyone, you are asking about sir, send me the scanner. So the scanner is here. You can copy. The scanner is here. You can create the scan. Same like that. Whatever the name you want, you can. Right? The scan which give you some great opportunity. Let's look at this. Here, this is what yesterday's opportunity, and let's look at this today's scenario. What are the stocks which is available on the scanner? And I'm going to compare yesterday's and today's scan both. Let look at this. This is what a today's and previous one I am taken out from my video. So let me discuss. These are the two scanners. So I'll go to make you on this two. Let me discuss about this two scanner. This is what yesterday we are discussing about our trade strategies. That is what the 45 degree, and this is the scan which is for today. I am taking a photos from my today's list of that particular charting scanner. Up and not, yeah. So let me discuss these two stocks. Let me discuss what are the stocks which is common here today. Let's say yesterday top 10. Let's look at Astral is the top stock which is occupying the today's first place, and let's look at yesterday Astral which is around 2180. Let's look at this 2180, and yesterday it is a 4%, but today it is more than 5%, 2300. And what are the stocks which is common to both? Let's look at this. Another one, GMR Infra. I took yesterday trade, but I was exited with 0.5 paisa. But it may be a huge if I am holding it today. Because which a large size is around 22,000, 22,500 I think. I bought 3.15 36 call option yesterday, but it not moved very well on yesterday, but it's showing me 1,000 rupees profit. That is what a 5 paisa where I booked out yesterday. And as per my advanced option strategy, that stock given me entry around 3.2. I don't know those who my student who did the trade on that stock, but today the same went to maximum 5 rupees. It's a huge benefit. 4.5 should be our target. That was triggered on the day as per our advanced option strategy. That was working well and good, and we booked a profit. Let's look at this Astral, GMR Infra, and Ashok Leyland also I seen in the morning in this list, but after that it never on the list. But these three stocks, let's compare. This is what 1st September, and this is what 2nd September. So by 45 degree. Hope the scanner will help you on your intraday trades. So first one, GMR, Ashok Leyland I seen, but as of now Ashok Leyland not available on the list by today's. But morning I am seen that. So anyone who watched, you can. So Bajaj Finserv also I seen in the morning. But what happened? Bajaj Finserv, it is a day before yesterday. It is an previous day scanner. I think 29th scanner. Yesterday we booked a good profit. I should ignore Bajaj Finance. But as a positional trade, I took 1 or 2 trades on Bajaj Finance that I'm holding for a positional basis. Okay. And let's look at, is there any other stock common for this yesterday and today? How about this? Astral and then GMR. Is there any other stock? Only one stock is good enough to make profit, right? So these are the top 10 today, and these are the top 10 yesterday. From this comparison, I find out GMR as well as Ashok Leyland. These are the two stocks which is providing me a great opportunity on the top 10 stocks. Got it? And some other stock also is seen from yesterday. These are the list of stocks. What are the common stocks from this two list? It's about Astral and GMR Infra. GMR, so the value is below 50. Mostly we are not doing the trade. But as per this method, if you are focusing on the stock, let me look at that GMR Infra. Let I show you with the charts. GMR Infrastructure. Let's look at this. Yesterday it's moved big, and today also it moved big. Let me go for a 15 minutes. Let's look at, this is what the trade which is on GMR Infra. The first one, the day September, it's a 45-degree. Again it continues the 45-degree. The small movement is a big profit, more than 40,000 rupees profit on that in GMR Infra, that is paying you. While comparing that, I took GMR Infra yesterday. I have the trade around 3.2 something, which I taken it out in yesterday's trade on GMR Infra. I'm searching for my trade where I took that GMR Infra, but finally I exited, no problem. With a profit I exited, no problem at all. But it wasn't huge. And also Ashok Leyland today performed very well. By based on that, yesterday the stock was in 45-degree and supposed to continue the same on 45-degree. Here today, that is giving you such a great opportunity. Let me show that my GMR Infra trade by yesterday. That was my trade which I done in GMR Infra. Let's look at this. My buy entry on that particular stock is somewhere around 3.15, but exited by end of the day around 3.2, just 5 paisa, which pays me 1,125 rupees. But the same GMR Infra, that is about 36 call option. So how to select a strike price and everything, my students who know how to select the strike price. Let's look at this today's high, huge, near about 2 rupees. 2 rupees, the large size of 22,500 was 40,000 above. But if you take position, you have to wait patiently, so that will pay you. But I'm not wait on that position because of due to I have some other positions also holding. So recently I have exited my Tata Chemical. Tata Chemical. I have exited 3 trades which I have done. Totally almost 29,000. The stock paid me by using a candlesticks pattern that I updated on my last video. And here, this is what another stock. And as per advanced strategy, this is what a targeted trade within 2 days. As per our advanced option strategy, the stock pays us more than 35,000 rupees. So I don't know. Still, no one has told me to book the profit or not. This is my trade based on the 45-degree. And the second one is Ashok Leyland. Today is Ashok Leyland. Let's look at that. Yesterday should be a 45-degree, and should today also it is moving good, and finally it is a very flat. But opening itself, it moves from 164 to it went up to 166 2 rupees. The lot size is big, no? So Ashok Leyland, which is around, I took yesterday 160 call option, where I took around 6 rupees, 6 or 7 rupees, and I booked out. And today it high is around 10 rupees compared to previous close. At more than 2 rupees moved from 8.65 to 10.65, almost 2 rupees is more than 10,000 rupees profit on that. almost 50,000 rupees. There is the opportunity where we made on based on the 45 degree. Again, I tell you, don't ask you the scanner for a 45 degree, 45 degree. That is free. You can create. If you are not able to create, find out the name and you will finding the scanner. And for a Monday, we can focus these stocks. If any stocks which is available from this list, which is available on by opening itself, we may try to make some intraday trade like Astral, India Mart, 𝗂𝐻𝑗𝐻 also today's moves good, but it has already be done a trade and United Spread, that is a McDowell. So today it is coming onto the scanner. Z Entertainment, Mahindra and Mahindra recently I seen 2 days back, but not happened yesterday. That is also moves well. TVS Motor, Dixon. From this list of stocks, if you find any stocks by tomorrow, that means next trading session, you may focus for intraday trade. So that's why I marked it out these levels. These stocks may be good for tomorrow if the same stock which is coming to our scanner. Hope you understand that you can see that our last video we made these stocks, we are taken it out. So from that we compared. So India Mart is the one I tried it, but I cannot able to buy it because it went very fast. Discards already done, and Z Entertainment, Mahindra. So tomorrow you can focus these stocks. If there is any opportunity, we can try to trade on that particular stocks. So that is what the good scanner which we made, and I'm providing you free. Make use of it and improve your intraday trading. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe it to get more benefit. Lot of scanners and screeners I'm going to provide you on this channel. And if you have any questions or a doubt, just comment in the comment box. If you are new, kindly subscribe. That's it. If you have any questions, you can comment. I will make a new video for your question. Thank you for watching this and thank you.